Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whenever you are watching this. I'm not sure if you can hear me. Let me check if it is on. Yes. Okay. So, last week I told you that I am going to share something exciting, right? So, the excitement is about something. It goes back to my first video of the year. If you remember the first video I did at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. So when I was about to start something, I heard like we have to change the topic from Friday feelings to Friday Freedom Fridays or Friday Freedom, right? So maybe 10 days or a couple of weeks back, I was reading this beautiful book, The Art and Science of Vedic Counseling by David Frawley. And that book has the information about the freedom. So all these weeks or months, without realizing what freedom means, we are guided to do something that helps us. So I'm going to read a few sentences. That's really amazing. Okay. So we are all seeking freedom in life in various ways and life to have a greater space around us. So in order to have a greater space around us, we are trying to seek the freedom. Yet, true freedom is not simply the freedom to get what we want, but freedom from the pain and burden of desire. How beautiful is that? Freedom is not something, it is about freedom from the desire, burden of desire, and also freedom from the pain. Doesn't matter which kind of pain we go through, we need to seek the freedom from that. Isn't it cool? Okay. True freedom can only be found in self-awareness. It is not the freedom to it is not the freedom to do, but the freedom to be. It is just to be. It's not like something that you need to do. Just be who you are. Freedom from desire brings the highest happiness. The ability to get what we want only breeds further wants. So even without realizing, at least for me, what freedom means, somehow we have been guided to do the freedom from our own limitations, our own actions and reactions, which creates pain in us, right? And I'm going to read another sentence. That's when I read that, literally got goosebumps. Are you ready? Freedom is the nature of consciousness, which is like unbounded space. That's amazing. Freedom is the nature of consciousness. So, so rather than focusing around, of course, having the consciousness of our surroundings is the something, but having the consciousness of who we are, what we are inside, and realizing where we are holding everything and how to be free from that is the real freedom. So, this is what I wanted to share with all of you. See, even though we didn't realize what, at least I am not, uh, at least I didn't realize what freedom literally means, but after reading this, thanks to David Frawley, I, I'm feeling really good because whatever I'm doing, Friday Freedom, it makes sense to me now. All these months I have been doing, but not really connected and not really understood whether I'm helping someone or not. But it is guiding me. It's helping me. So let me do it. So all these days I did like that, but now I got the answer. Freedom is the nature of consciousness. So have that consciousness and have the freedom. Okay, until we meet next. Thank you. Namaste. Bye for now.